All right, we're talking charts. If you have your favorite charting library that you know how to use and manipulate, by all means use that because speed at a hackathon is number one. But if you don't, may I recommend HighCharts.js? Again, another library that I use on a number of different solutions, including, if not all, most of my hackathon submissions. As you can see and go to the demos page, they have tons and tons and tons from the normal mundane bar chart and pie chart to the absolutely wild imagination honeycomb heat maps. Just they have just the largest array of charts that you can imagine. They also provide things such as dynamic charting, where you can create a data pump via Ajax to have live metrics like this. And then, like I said, just the normal, mundane pie chart type stuff as well. The thing I like most about high charts, especially again in this scenario for people that normally or have never used a charting library, is two things. And the first is just like in the icons video, you have the ability to get the code super fast. If you go here and you hit view code, you do get a peek at what the code can kind of look like, but it doesn't give you the holistic picture because there's going to be a relationship between JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. But if you go to JFiddle or CodePen, if you have a preference, you can get all three pieces of that. So it makes it super simple. You just copy these pieces of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and effectively you will have displayed what's in the demo. Just like in the list view video, just kind of like how you bind data tables to a particular HTML element, high charts is the same. You bind it up to a particular container, a div, empty div, and it does the rest. Then down here in the series and data, this is where obviously the meat and potatoes, the actual data is rendered, or what kind of chart you're rendering and information in it. So super helpful. Now I said that there was two reasons why I really like this library, and it actually is has nothing to do with speed of code, but it actually has to do with the wow factor. Um, Anytime I have found that you can bring working software to a hackathon demo, you already are heads and above, you know, all the submissions that don't have working software, at least in that category of the rubric. But the moment you can also choose libraries that add just a hint or a flare of animation, I don't mean to demote us to simplistic animals, but that really captures the eye and really does dress to impress your UI and UX as you are doing your demo. So HighCharts.js, I can't recommend it enough. Give it a whirl.